So my plan today was to put a brisket on, man. But some things changed. Here in Dallas, we're kind of in a burn ban state right now. There have been a lot of very high winds and very dry conditions. We haven't had much rain lately at all. Those two elements are the two elements that are always present when you see these big fires happening in California and places like that. It takes something as little as someone mowing their yard and the blades hit a rock. It causes a spark. That can set off a fire, and then the winds just take it. So long story short, I'm not going to be firing up the grill today, but I do want to show you guys some footage, man, of some changes we made. I know a lot of you guys have been following along with me ever since the beginning. Ever since I started the channel, I wanted it to be not just a grilling channel, but a lifestyle channel where I talk to you guys about personal things and show you things that we're working on in the backyard. I have a playlist. If you haven't seen that playlist, I've been taking you guys along. I've been doing follow-up videos from really the beginning on updates and changes and challenges that we've had. I'll put a link to that playlist up here. But yeah, we just got the whole deck covered. We already had this guy here, and most of you guys have seen that. I do a lot of videos sitting right there, so most of you guys have seen that. I wanted the whole deck covered. That's what I really wanted, so that we would have more shade and more hours of the day. Our furniture would get a little bit more protection from the rain and stuff like that. And so we did it, and we just got finished. So this is mainly for diehard followers that have been following the progress along for a long time, really since I first started. I thought you guys would want to, I'm not going to post this as a public video. This is just for you guys. We have one more major project, and that is the patio on the lower level. I've shown it to you guys before, so I'm not going to show it to you now because we just got out of this big job, and the whole backyard is just in disarray. You know, I don't want to show it to you while it's looking this bad, but thought you'd like to see it. I haven't done an update in a while, and I just wanted to let you know what was going on. You guys seem to like it, and I know some of you guys have commented on the progress and commented on changes in some of my cooking videos, which I really, really appreciate. Makes me feel connected to you. All right, man, more to come. We'll keep you posted. Next cook coming up soon. Soon as I'm able to cook again, legally, I get on them grills, man. Because the grills are up here on the deck now, baby. Yes, sir. No more walking across that backyard. All right, let's run on the grill.